Alright, so this is a santol tree that's been around. It's been in this house for decades, even before I was born. And currently, I'm gonna show you that there's a big beehive in there. Like, we see bees around the garden, especially in the near the flowers. There are a lot of flowering plants in the garden. And now we know where they live. Can you see that? Yeah. See, it's huge, right? It's a big colony, isn't it? There. There, it's like a curtain. Like someone left a curtain in one of the branches of the tree. Can you see it? Yeah, so let me know how I can safely collect honey from it. Nah, or just kidding. We'll probably just let them be. See? That's so big, right? Nature.